Hello everyone,
Hi everyone.
let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ahmad Yasmin Royhan in RP 2124500058.
And my name is Cintia Salsa Ameylia and RP 2124500046.
We are from class 2 Diploma 3 Electronic Engineering B.
Okay, before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to build an electronic circuit but didn't know where to begin?
Don't worry, today we will show you how to do it.
In here, we will explain how to use a breadboard step by step. It is easy to understand.
Okay, let's look at the component used.
Okay. We use a breadboard, jumper wires,
Yes.
an LED, a resistor, and power source such as a bed. These components are commonly used in basic electronic circuits.
First, understand the student of a breadboard. It has rows and columns that are connected.
Okay, the red and the blue lines are usually used as power rails, but a breadboard does not have fixed positive or ground. We decide it when we connect the power source.
Okay, next, insert the resistor into the breadboard. Make sure the legs are in the different rows.
This prevents a short circuit. The resistor also controls the current so the LED is safe. After that, place the LED. The longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative.
Okay, then connect the resistor to the positive line.
Next, connect it to the LED. Then connect the negative leg of the LED to the ground line. Now the circuit is complete.
Okay, finally, check the connection. Make sure everything is correct before turning on the power.
Now, we turn on the power. The LED will light up. This means the circuit is working properly. If it does not work, check the connection again.
Okay. In conclusion, a breadboard is very useful for building simple circuit and learning basic electronics.
By understanding how to use a breadboard, we can create electronic projects more easily and safely. We hope this explanation is useful and helpful for you. Thank you for attention.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.